Hey everyone, welcome back. We're diving into some seriously wild AI stuff today.
Some shocking stuff, really.
Yeah, shocking is a good word for it.
Yeah.
We're looking at this article, the most shocking AI bombshells of 2024.
Uh,
And wow, 2024 has been a crazy year for AI, right?
Absolutely. It seems like every day there's some new breakthrough, new development. It's incredible. And maybe a little scary, too,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, no kidding. This article really gets into how AI is changing the world
Yeah.
in ways we didn't really expect.
Yeah, and ways we're not totally sure about yet, I think.
Well, let's jump in. So one of the big things that struck me reading this article
Mhm.
is how AI is not just copying what humans do anymore. It's like creating stuff,
Oh, yeah.
totally new, original things.
Right, like it's becoming creator.
Exactly. Creative AI. That's kind of mind-blowing, isn't it?
It really is. I mean, for so long, we thought of creativity as something uniquely human, but AI is challenging that idea now.
Right. Like take music, for example. This article talks about AI actually composing music.
Composing, not just like remixing or something.
No, like actually composing original pieces. And not just like simple melodies either. I'm talking about complex emotional music. Stuff that you could hear on the radio and think, wow, this is a great song.
It's pretty wild. The article explains how they're using these things called GANs, generative adversarial networks.
And Jans.
Yeah. Basically, they have two AI algorithms. One creates the music, the other acts like a critic. They kind of fight it out, learn from each other until, boom, you get a piece of music that's truly unique.
It's like a musical AI battle royale.
Kind of, yeah. And the crazy thing is, it's not just happening in music. AI is writing novels, too.
Novels. Like full-length books.
Full-length books. And not just simple genre stuff. We're talking literary novels with complex characters, plots, themes, the whole deal.
Wow. Are you serious? AI writing prize-winning literature.
Well, maybe not prize-winning yet, but it's getting there. The article talks about these things called generative language models. They feed massive amounts of text data into these models, like every book ever written, basically.
And then the AI just spits out a new book.
It's more complicated than that, but yeah, essentially. It learns the patterns of language, the structure of stories, and then uses that knowledge to create something new. It's pretty remarkable. And it makes you wonder about the future of, like, the publishing industry, right?
Absolutely. I mean, will human authors become obsolete? Will we even be able to tell the difference between a book written by a person and a book written by an AI?
Those are some big questions, and honestly, I don't think anyone has the answers yet.
So for everyone listening, what's the most surprising AI thing you've heard about lately? Let us know. Because this article, it's just one bombshell after another. Like, get this. AI is being used to develop vaccines.
Oh, yeah, that's huge. Like potentially eradicating diseases we've been fighting for centuries.
The article talks about how AI can analyze tons of genetic information, protein structures, all that stuff, and then it can predict how viruses will mutate, and even design vaccines that work against different strains.
It's incredible. AI could help us stay ahead of the next pandemic.
Okay, now this part kind of freaked me out. The article also talks about AI predicting crime.
Predicting crime, like Minority Report style.
Yeah, like that algorithms crunching data
Yeah.
to figure out where and when crimes are going to happen. It feels a little dystopian now.
It definitely raises some eyebrows. The article says these systems look at crime stats, socioeconomic factors, even weather patterns, and they use all that to try and predict future crime.
But how accurate can they be?
Hey.
Because predicting the future, that's hard.
Well, the article says accuracy is still being debated, but some cities are already using these AI predictions for policing, which of course brings up all sorts of ethical questions about privacy, bias, and all that.
Yeah, that's some heavy stuff to think about. But okay, zooming out for a second. This whole AI revolution, it's impacting everything.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
This article, it talks about AI taking over jobs in
Yes.
finance, law, medicine, like whole professions could be disrupted. But it also talks about new jobs being created, jobs we can't even imagine yet.
That's the thing, right? It's not just about robots replacing humans. It's about humans and AI working together in totally new ways.
So for everyone listening, what does all this mean for you? Because it feels like we're on the edge of a massive shift.
Absolutely. It's a shift in how we live, how we work, how we interact with the world, and it's happening fast, like faster than most of us can even grasp.
So the question is, are you ready? Are you ready for the possibilities and the challenges that this AI future is bringing?
Because it's not some distant sci-fi thing anymore. AI is here, it's happening now, and the pace of change, it's only going to accelerate.
So think about it. How will AI change your life, your work, your world?
Let us know what you think. We're diving deeper into this AI stuff all the time, so stay tuned and get ready for the ride because the future, it's getting pretty wild.
Wild is right. All right, everyone. Thanks for joining us on the deep dive. Catch you next time.
See ya.